starting this SSW, but there will be some time to pick the card. कुछ क्या बोलते हैं कंपनी स्टार्ट होने के टाइम पे आप कैसे
So one day you will be a businessman and he became the businessman.
Indian embroidery field and the leading king of Indian embroidery world. Let's give you a big round of applause. I'm not getting it on the water.
As Babuji Golde, he is a self-made person and many inspiration to many persons. You know, really an inspiration to us too also, sir. And I'm so happy and grateful that I met you today. And all the best, congratulations to 5G.
Thanks for the opportunity.
हेलो फैमिली, हाउ आर यू? चाय नहीं पी लगती है, वापिस एक बार हाउ आर यू? सर, सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करेंगे नेशनल एंथम से. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन टू स्टैंड ऑन योर फीट फॉर द नेशनल एंथम, प्लीज. एवरीवन सेटल डाउन. कर्मण्ये वाधिके रस्ते मां फलेषु कदाचन मां कर्मा फले हेतुर्भर्मा ते संगोष्ठा वा कर्माणि. भगवद गीता अध्याय 2 श्लोक 47 अर्थ तू तेरा कर्म कर, कर्म करने पे तेरा हक है, कर्म के फल पे तेरा कोई आकर्षित नहीं है, तो आप अपने कर्म किए जाओ और फल की चिंता मत करो. आप सिर्फ अपने कर्म करते जाओ. बस ऐसे ही ये जर्नी हमारी स्टार्ट हुई थी. HSW हमने फॉर्म किया था 2013 में and we have started selling all kind of textile machineries and up to 2017 we were dealing into many textile machineries and there comes a turnaround for HSW. There we meet the person who has changed the HSW from multi-textile machineries and started to focus on embroidery machine, and that was single hand embroidery machine. And that person has come to me so many times. तो मैं वो person Mr. Dhananand जी
దయానంద్ గారు ఎప్పుడైనా సరే స్టేజ్ మీదకి రావాలి. అందరూ గట్టిగా చప్పట్లు కొట్టి దయానంద్ గారిని ఆహ్వానించండి.
So he was and this was a very small token of time from HSW, we know that, but we are so happy and
और आपकी वजह से हम यहाँ पे आज इतनी जो सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ सके हैं, वो आपकी वजह से आप you are the first step towards our success. So I would ask you to please say something about the company.
successfully चला रहे हैं, पर सब लोग जोर से तालियां और रिक्वेस्ट partner to promote this नया वाला 5G embroidery machine to the customers too. Manoj, we are so happy to have you all here for this beautiful event of launching HSW embroidery 5G machine. And let this 5G will light land with a many lives. So here the wait is over and the evergreen God cheers are there. Here yes, everybody, let's raise your hands for Priyaji. The 5G embroidery machine is hitting the about industry. Queen.
నాట్ ఓన్లీ తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీ, ఇండియన్ ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ కా మనం అందరూ గట్టిగా చేసింది మన HSW అన్బిలీవబుల్ క్రియేటివ్ వర్క్ ఇది.
Wow. It was for this. Chairman is going to launch this mission within a very short time. So everybody come with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, here we go. Let me tell you, 5G exhibition is here. With the latest technology and latest designs. Everybody, having a big round of applause and make some noise.
ఎంతో మంది మహిళల జీవితాన్ని మార్చడానికి మార్కెట్ తీసుకొచ్చారు. తప్పకుండా ఫోటోగ్రాఫర్ డౌన్ 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 ముందు ఫోటోగ్రాఫర్ బ్యాక్.
Let's show us the success.
Introducing HSW 5G embroidery machines with amazing and advanced features that make machine user-friendly and efficient. Revolutionizing embroidery work the 5G way, Smart HSW 5G embroidery machine has 8-way movements which make movement of frame seamless and carries out complex designs with ease. Design display in mm and inches. The HSW 5G embroidery machine offers the flexibility to view the embroidery pattern in either millimeters or inches, providing greater versatility. Command in 8 Indian local languages.
We are going to announce the top performer for financial year 2022-23 for HSW embroidery machine. So, I need a big applause, please.
అందరూ గట్టిగా చప్పట్లు కొట్టాలండి.
Yes.
जो फाइनेंशियल ईयर है जिन्होंने टॉप परफॉर्म किया है, हमने उनकी एक अचीवर लिस्ट बनाई हुई है. तो आज हम उनको रिकॉग्नाइज करेंगे श्रिया जी के थ्रू. श्रिया जी के हाथों से रिकॉग्नाइज करवाएंगे. सेकंड ब्रोंज विनर सुनीता एंटरप्राइज चेतन जी. चेतन जी प्लीज वेलकम ऑन स्टेज.
Wow, congratulations, Chetan ji.
सचिन
I can't hear you. Really a very inspiring story. Let's everybody, yes. Thank you so much for sharing your inspiring.
కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ శ్రీనివాస్ గారు.
చాలా హ్యాపీ ఎక్సైట్మెంట్తో ఉన్న కస్టమర్స్ కొత్త ప్రోడక్ట్ వస్తుంది ఏముంటాయి అని ఎక్సైట్మెంట్గా ఉన్నారు. అలాగే ఫస్ట్ HSW ఎంబ్రాయిడరీ మిషన్ గురించి చెప్పాలి, కంపల్సరీ గురించి చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నాను. సార్ ఏంటంటే చాలా సింప్లిసిటీగా ఉంటారు, అలాగే చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్ అండ్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఆలోచించేది ఒకటే, కస్టమర్కి నేను ఇంకెలా ఇవ్వాలి, నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్లో నేను సర్వీస్ ఎలా ఇవ్వాలి, వాళ్ళ గ్రోత్ ఏంటి, వాళ్ళకి బిజినెస్ నేను ఏ విషయం చేస్తే వాళ్ళకి ఇంకా డెవలప్ అవుతారు. ఉమెన్స్ అందరూ
కానీ కొన్ని చాలా సంఘటనలు ఉన్నాయి. వాటిని ఎదుర్కొని
कस्टमर्स भी देखे, स्टार परफॉर्मर भी देखे. आप क्या हमारे बारे में सोचते हैं, जरा प्लीज आपके लोग.
Dr. Garu will be saying here currently.
sometimes we just need somebody to show it to us. Adarvata, I think God is very kind and Krishna will come and help you, but to me sometimes it's a little support. And I feel you've done a great job helping others, giving them a chance to believe in themselves. I think it's a work with others. You should not make fences, but actually make a bigger dining table so you can have friends and people. You've made lovely friends in this world and you've done आपको मुझे बताया कि एजुकेशन के जरिए आपने more than 2,500 women are empowered. It's a huge journey that you've achieved, and I think it's a beautiful journey. और मैं आशा करती हूँ, I hope that you keep empowering more women and keep helping and keep giving them wings to fly. And it is amazing. I saw the machine. I was blown away. I never seen a big machine like this. और बचपन से मेरी माँ हमेशा हमें पेंटिंग एम्ब्रॉयडरी और मेरे कपड़े बनाया करती थी. Because you know, when we were growing up, we didn't have, we couldn't afford to buy many fancy dresses. But really, so I remember her with a small machine. But it's amazing when you empower women because the embroidery is right now majorly taken over by men. So now you empower women, it's amazing. It's great that you're doing this, and I hope that you continue doing this. And thank you for making me part of your small journey. And I'm really happy to be here. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sridhar.
Suchitra garu alage మన HSW and she did
First of all, I really appreciate the dynamic day you are here, being here for such kind of great occasion, which is going to be a great platform for women empowerment. Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your love.
I'm very happy. Thank you, Tapan Garu. Today it was very beautiful to meet all the people, a little glimpse of what you're doing and some amazing people you've touched. 5G HSW, I saw the machine. Okasari, when I saw it, like, oh, it's a big machine. But I mean, it's amazing that you also give free training to people so they understand how to use it. Atarvata women empowerment, it's a beautiful idea that you're doing. Endukante you're giving oka dream, oka asalu, you're giving them wings. Who I met today, their stories, and they really inspired me. I feel that I need to do something with my life. It was very inspiring what you're doing. I just hope and pray that e-spirit, e-dream that you have today, that stays with you forever, that doesn't go anywhere, that you keep empowering women, that you keep empowering people. And also I think there's nothing more beautiful than, God has given you so much, and you have beautiful mother. I saw her today and saw your beautiful wife and her mother. That your whatever God has given you, you're trying to give back. I think Ade, that's the most beautiful thing. We all are blessed with something or the other. Some of us are blessed with talent. Some of us are blessed with some resources. Kani, it's not us. We have to give it back, and we have to share it. They thought it's extremely important, and they are doing it, and you're setting a beautiful example for others to do it too. Because what I understood, it's not about just the money and business for you. It's about oka change, oka parivartan that you want to bring in people's life, I think that's beautiful. And also embroidery and handloom and textile has been associated with our country for centuries. You're somehow bringing it back and giving it to people. And that's also beautiful in its own way. So chala thanks. I think I'm very inspired today. And most of the events you go, it's like, it's beautiful, it's fun. But today was very inspiring. And I hope you continue your journey. Thank you. తర్వాత ఏం కావాలి మరి ఎంబ్రాయిడరీ డ్రెస్ నాకు చాలా చాలా ఇష్టమైంది. మా అమ్మలో చిన్న స్మాల్ షీ యూజ్డ్ టు ఎంబ్రాయిడర్ మై క్లోత్స్. ఎందుకంటే నాకు ఎంబ్రాయిడరీ पेंटिंग डिफरेंट कलर क्लोथ्स बचपन से मैं व्हेन आई वाज रियली स्मॉल तब से बहुत इंटरेस्ट था, तो आई ऑलवेज लाइक इट. सो ఈ ఈవెంట్లో స్పెషల్గా ఐమ్ వేరింగ్ ఎంబ్రాయిడర్డ్ క్లోత్స్, ఎంబ్రాయిడర్డ్ బ్లౌజ్. సో యా ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ ఒక showbiz showlo I've acted. It's on Hotstar, coming out soon. Tarvata I'm doing shoot film Untitled, which is with Abhay Deol. So fitness secret, I do yoga workout, but real secret is your love. పాపలు బాగున్నారు, చాలా నాటీగా ఉంది, చాలా ఎవ్రీ డే ఫుల్ డే వన్ నాటీనెస్ అనదర్ నాటీనెస్ అదర్ థింగ్ ఫుల్గా కాపీ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అయితే కాపీ చేయాలి ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సో వేరే వర్డ్స్లో వేరే లాంగ్వేజ్లో షీల్ టాక్ సంథింగ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఆల్ డే. సో it's a happy time to be with her.
Kapadia, I am a founder and CEO of HSW Embroidery Machines. Today in Hyderabad we are launching HSW 5G embroidery machine. It has a unique features that will revolutionize the embroidery, the way of embroidery people are doing. It has come from traditional way to something very fascinating and automated way. Like now the ladies, before if someone is doing embroidery, she has to sit over there and she has to, her back get pains and everything. But now simply just install the design in it and the computer will do all the works with together, and it will make very easy to do embroidery on any type of clothes, from you can say net to leather. So and you can do so many things, like we have done a picture of Shriyaji. You can make jewelry, you can make tremendous, unless there is a whatever you think. Like in Hindi we have one saying, जहाँ ना पहुँचे रवि वहाँ पहुँचे कवि. इसका मतलब है कि जहाँ पे सन नहीं जा सकता वहाँ पे भी कवि की सोच जा सकती है. बस इसी तरह ये एम्ब्रॉयडरी मशीन है कि जहाँ पे हम सोच नहीं सकते वहाँ पे भी ये काम कर सकता है. Design you can create it by yourself. Whatever you think, whatever you have in your mind, you can put it in the embroidery and it will run accordingly. But with the machine we are giving a free application subscription for only HSW exclusive customers. In that we have more than 2500 designs in that, which they can access freely for whole year. And every week we are putting 4 to 5 we are updating it, and 4 to 5 new designs we are updating in a application, so they can get a tremendous designs. Sir, our head office is based in Surat, but it is available, like we are serving pan India, and we have a local dealers in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and all the South Indian state, as well as Rajasthan, Kashmir, Punjab, in far east like Manipur, Sikkim. So we are serving pan India.